Alright, so now I've got to slide back a little. I've got everything that I could reach down here to the water level. So now I'm going to slide back a little and so I can start loading the dump truck. So this island I'm sitting on, I'll keep peeling it backwards and making this baby bigger. Okay, now that I got a system going, I got the big boy bucket on, I'm able to peel this pond back about 5-6 foot at a time, and it takes like literally 5 minutes to fill a full load. I can fill it full now because it's just barely dry enough on the road over there. So now we're making some fast progress. Look at all this dirt I got now. These are all loads. I'm sitting up like 2-3 feet up in the air on top of them all, just heading down to where I need to start moving it. This ought to be enough dirt. Each of these piles is 5 foot high. Now we should fully connect the road. Right, this was like the hardest part of today, was getting these pipes back open without a spotter. You know, because one yank on them and you'll tear the thing right up. Ask me how I know. Even metal ones, you'll just rip them right up. So I got that pipe there, and then another pipe here. You know, a pile of rocks or dirt right there, and another one right here so that it catches them both into the pipe. And then this middle, I'll just have to make sure it's graded to where it runs down into them pipes. So it's progress. Ditch check, duh. So I mean, I may have to put a ditch check in here, you know, or I may have to add a third pipe here. I could put, you know, a couple of ditch checks in, but I'm gonna guess one of these is lower than the other, and I can't tell by eyeballing it. So whichever is the lowest of the two, I'll just make another cut down to that one. So I think this will work out. So this is day 4, and I'm kind of burned out for a while, but at least I got it up in the water. Should start running if it starts raining under it, and it'll start drying out. I mean, that first section, that's pretty darn dry already. I probably could have put rock on that. All right, here's a look at the duck pond. You could see this new sludge puddle right there that I obviously pulled all the dirt out of there. And I also managed to get 3 or 4 dump loads there to push down that dam, because you could see down in the middle I really still need to beef up that dam on the duck pond a little bit more yet. But everything's getting too wet. The back of the dump truck is packed. I got to clean that out, and I'm burned out. But the new road is all connected and should be draining pretty properly. Look at all the deer back there. Holy schmackerels, it's feeding time out in the food plot. Anyways, that road goes from right about that dirt pile, goes all the way around, got the 2 culvert pipes, and goes all the way up to that apple tree there. That used to be an apple tree. I believe it's dead now. But anyways, that was no small project. Turned out to be more than I expected as usual, but it's substantially done now. You know, now it needs to dry, regrading of the whole thing, and then put some stone on it. I mean, you could just plant it in grass in the spring or fall. If it's firm enough where no water stands on it, it'll be a good road. So until next time, I'm out.